All right, so I'm going to get you started with code.org. I'm going to teach you how to set up an account and some really basic coding starting. So let's just start. So we're going to go over here to code.org, click on this link, and you're going to go to sign in, and this is how you're going to start to create an account. You're going to skip all this. I already have an account, but let's create a brand new account. Account type, you're going to choose student. Type in your email address. I'm going to use my other Parkland email address, parklandsd.net is what I want. I'm going to choose a password. It has to be at least 6 characters long. And for my display name, Science Mood. Age, how old should I be? I'm going to be 14. That's right, I'm older than you, and all man. Click sign up. I don't want to save my password. And this is the main screen for code.org. And these are the 4 courses that we're going to go through. Actually, 3 courses that we're going to go through. We are not going to do course 1. That is for babies and kindergartners. So we'll start with course 2. And I mean, some of you've probably already done stuff like this before. But regardless, we're going to do course 2 and course 3 and course 4. After you do those 3 courses, you can see that there's other things to do. If you get really advanced, you can start to create apps, or if you are already advanced, you can create apps anyway. Maybe submit something for computer fair. Hour of code, oops. These are really, really basic ways to get started with coding, but we're going to get started with coding with course 2. But you can do these also if you feel like it. You're not being graded on any of these, but they're really fun. Or we're probably going to do the hour of code anyway, but it's up to you what you want to do. And once you start to feel really comfortable with coding, you can make your own Flappy Bird type game. You can do the Infinity Play Lab, where you can actually make your own games and your own characters or whatever. Um, Same thing with the Play Lab, or if you just use the Artist tool, you can actually code your own little animations and things, just designs and whatnot. But what you're going to do down here is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says Add a Teacher. All right, so go back, open up your other tab to where we were before, find whatever class you're in. I'm going to do period 2. And rather than retyping that, I'm just going to Command C or Control C, whatever kind of computer you're using. Copy that, go back over to my code.org page and click Paste, and then just click Add Teacher. And now that you've added me, now I will be able to see all your progress in all your courses, and you'll be good. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over here. We're going to start with course 2. You're going to click Try Now. And you don't actually have to worry about any of these things. Now, we're not going to do any of the unplugged activities. And I believe it starts you off with stage 3, I think, but whatever. Just go to Try Now. And it starts you where
Usually
you need to.
programming is all in text, but we'll use Blockly.
You can watch that if you want. It'll give you a basic introduction. But basically, it says, can you help me catch the naughty pig? Stack a couple of move forward blocks below the when run block and press run. This is really easy. All you want to do is you want to move the bird over to the pig. I'm going to count spaces or count blocks. So you can see that this is 1 space and this is 2 spaces. All right, so I want to write a code that's going to get him from this point to that point without dying. And this first one is really simple. So this command is when you click the word run. So that's what when run means. And that is over here. So when I click run, what do you want him to do? Do you want him to move forward? Do you want him to turn left? Do you want him to turn right? You can change that if you'd like. But let's just have him move forward. If we want to blow him up, we can do that, but that's a little advanced right now. So let's just have him move forward. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to drag and drop. You're going to drag this over and put it under run. Now you'll notice if I just leave it there, it gets blurred out. You'll also notice that these kind of look like puzzle pieces. So what you want to do is you want to drag and drop these till they kind of snap together. You'll see it light up, and you can let go. You'll also hear a click, and you'll feel it click. You'll feel it just snap into place too. So I'm gonna move it close, and I'm just gonna let go. And there's the little click. I want him to move forward 2 spaces. So if I just moves forward 1 space, 1 command, he's going to stop there. If I make him move forward 2 spaces, he'll go all the way to the pig. Let's see what happens if I just put 1 space and then make him turn right. Let's just add this for fun. Click run. He basically told you stink, and they're laughing at you. Let's reset that. Get rid of this. To get rid of something, you can leave it here, blur it out, or you can dump it over here and it's gone. We're going to make him move forward twice. All right, you did it. You wrote 2 lines of code. You're amazing. Yeah, that's it. So you can leave anytime. You can go back to Code Studio. You can pick up where you left off by hitting continue. You can view the course, whatever. If you want to bounce around, that's fine. You can test out some Course 3, Course 4s. You can test out some of these things like Minecraft or Star Wars. Don't do Frozen. Come on, you're better than that. But yeah, that's basically it. So remember, take your time, do these at your own pace. Activity period, period X. If you finish class early and you have extra time, you can always go on code.org, do some stuff. But that's basically it. Let's watch something. What should we watch? Let's try this. Ooh, let's see it again. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh!